Hello wonderful people! As we all know, up to 60% of human adult's body is water. So you can imagine how important our water intake daily. We should drink at least 6 to 8 cups water per day. Usually I use water filter pitcher. I have to refill it every day. And sometimes if I want to make a cup of coffee or I like to put lime or ginger on hot water, I have to boil water first with the electric kettles. It's just not efficient. And I thought I will need water filter that can do all at once for me. And this is what I'm going to show you guys. Check it out. It is a user manual as usual. Multifunctional water dispenser. Ta-da! So before I plug into the electricity, I would like to show you first the display over here is water production and water full, water shortage, and this is the temperature, Celsius and milliliter, and chat log, so safe for you who has kids, and temperature and water volume and cleaning, so because that is the self-cleaning. And attention, it's hot. Here also on the top you have quick guides how to use it, and this is from the back, guys. This is the water tank before you fill it with the water, and it's already set, so easier for you to just plug in and then voila. So at the back here, if you want to refill the water, just open it like this. And this is if you want to clean it, you know, you can take off this. And this is the cotton carbon composite filter PC, and reverse osmosis filter and activated carbons. And this is here the switch on and off. So when the water full like this, and then you're ready to cleaning, just tap twice here. There you go. To stop it, you can tap one time. So this, you're doing this until drain the tank 3 times. Alright guys, so if you are using at the first time like me, or you haven't using it for a long time, you have to cleaning the tank. Now ready to get the exciting part. After 3 times cleaning the water tank at the back, it takes time and patience for sure, but I guarantee you will be so worth it. Now I will place the glass here. This is the original temperature, it's 20 degrees Celsius. And then over here we can adjust water volume that we want. So 500 milliliter and 350 milliliter, and this is 250 and 150. So I will put 150 here. To get the hot water, over here is 92 to 99, 80 to 90, 60 to 70, and 40 to 55 Celsius. So I will unlock this, the child lock, and then temperature, I will choose the 80 to 90 Celsius, and then just press this ambience. I think I will like to add more. Make sure before you use the hot water at the first time, you have to remove at least twice of the water. Now I'm going to put my hot water with limes. Oh, it's quite hot. And some strawberries from my garden. It's quite hot. Add more lime. Pretty and healthy for sure. There you go. So with Vortopt multifunctional water dispenser, you can refill your tumbler and cover all your daily intake of water, making a tea or even cooking, and so much more if you need filtered water. Overall guys, I am so satisfied with Vortopt dispenser water. How this dispenser water works: purified tap water, fast heating water dispenser, PPA-free, elegant and stylish design, and you could put on your countertop kitchen, your house or apartment, living room or RV, and even office or hotel, or if you have Airbnb, that will be perfect. No complication installation. I don't have to use my water pitcher anymore because converts the regular tap water into purified drinking water after a true multiply filtration. So provide hot water, remove viruses and bacteria, also long service life, and the smart display here guys. It's touchscreen, I love it. What you're waiting for guys, enjoy your water with Vortopt, and I will put the link at the description box if you're interested. Thanks so much for watching guys. Stay healthy and happy for sure. I love you so much and I will see you soon.